What's going on, guys? This is Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500 that we just got done lifting. So if you guys have a Sierra that you're interested in lifting and adding new wheels and tires to, you should take a look at what we did to this one. This one's going to have that 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit, and when you get a lift kit from Rough Country, you have 3 options to choose from. You have your strut spacer, your extended strut, or the coilover Vertex shocks, which are going to give you the best ride quality. So we went with the strut spacer. This one is 2019, doesn't have a lot of miles on it, so we just went ahead and just added that spacer above the factory strut to save a little bit of money, and we don't have to really worry about replacing that strut yet. If you have one that has a little bit more miles on it, you can go ahead and think about replacing that strut to get some of that ride quality back. The tire's gonna be a 35 1250 R22 Fury Country Hunter RT, which is a step down from their mud terrain tire. This one's gonna be more like a hybrid tire, so you're still gonna get the aggressiveness of the mud terrain with the aggressive sidewall and a little bit more knobby tread, but you're also going to get the qualities for an on-road tire with a little bit of a quieter ride and a longer tread life. With this wheel and tire setup in the lift kit, we do have to do a little bit of trimming on this plastic piece right below the bumper, just so that there isn't any rubbing on a full turn. Down here we have a 22x12 Fuel Vandal, and this one's gonna have that -44 offset. From the edge of the spokes out to the lip, you're gonna have about a 5.5 inch lip, and then maybe just a little bit more if you go all the way back past the spoke. This one's gonna have that deep dish, that nice deep dish look, so it's really gonna make your wheel stand out as you go down the road. And then along with that, it's also gonna push that wheel and tire package out about the same amount of distance past your fenders to give it a nice wider stance. This one's gonna have that straight, simple look with the spokes. You're gonna have the spokes come out just a little bit and then go kind of back towards the back of the wheel again. Just to add a little bit of dimension to this wheel. But however, this one comes in a couple different finishes. You have your all gloss black or your gloss black and milled. And then this one's gonna have several different sizes as well to choose from if you don't wanna go with the 22x12. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you check out the description to see more information about this wheel. Overall, I really like this one with the how it has the accents of the millings matching the chrome bumpers and some of the other accents on this truck. So make sure you definitely think about that if you're building your truck, and just how to tie in some of the wheels and tires into the look of your truck. So if you guys are looking to get your truck built now, we can do that for you right here at Krietz Customs, and we can even make that easier with you by including our 0% financing for up to 12 months. So you can go ahead and pay now or build now and pay later with that.